facilitators for today's events are Secretary of Music for Region 25. Anthony Gibson, retired Director of Band for Allen Independent School District. Joe McGee, retired Director of Bands for Burleson High School. David Kirkley, retired Director of Bands, Boswell High School. Robert Vetter, retired Director of Bands, Robinson ISD. Scott Ward, composer, arranger, and owner of the Music Ward. And Art Grossman, Color Guard Director, Saginaw High School. Earlier today, Drumlines and Color Guards had the opportunity to compete in standstill competitions to get comments specifically for their section. Here are the results from today's Color Guard standstill competition. In 5th place is the Argyle High School Color Guard. In 4th place is the Lamar High School Color Guard.
Not here.
In 3rd place is the Fossil Ridge High School Color Guard. In 2nd place is the Reedy High School Color Guard.
Watch us get first because I'm saying we're going to get first. Watch us get last.
And in 1st place is the Alvarado High School Color Guard. For the awards from our Drumline standstill competition. In 5th place is the Kennedale High School Drumline. In 4th place is the Lamar High School Drumline.
We're not here. Just stop saying the name. We're not here.
3rd place is the Arlington High School.
Yeah, we did something.
Oh, I love being in Drumline. I love being in Drumline.
In 2nd place is the Reedy High School. And in 1st place is the Argyle High School Drumline. Now the results from tonight's finals competition. In 10th place, the Godley High School Band.
They.
Their uniforms are not very godly.
In ninth place, the Weatherford High School Band. In eighth place, the Robinson High School Band. In seventh place, the Alvarado High School Band.
Okay. We got 4. We're hoping to get better. If we get top 3, that'd be awesome.
Outstanding color guard performance is awarded to the Alvarado High School color guard.
There they go again. They probably should have started with that.
Shut up.
Oh, I see North Crowley.
In sixth place, the North Crowley High School Band.
You did it.
I told you, George.
Now we're in the top 5.
Outstanding percussion performance is awarded to the Argyle High School Drumline.
All right, come on.
The fifth place trophy is awarded to the Kennedale High School Band.
Yes, top 4.
Outstanding marching performance is awarded to the Argyle High School Band.
Don't BS.
The fourth place trophy is awarded to the Arlington High School.
Yeah, it's the exact same thing.
At least Johanna knows what she's doing.
Yeah, good job, Johanna.
Yes, totally.
Outstanding music performance is awarded to the Argyle High School.
Bruh! Argyle, I'm gonna need you guys to stop being good. Oh my god, What is it? That is
The third place trophy is awarded to the Reedy High School Band.
I don't think we've heard Argyle yet.
Do you not see what Vincent is?
No.
But yet they get outstanding everything.
They all looked over there, and then they all.
The second place trophy is awarded to the Fossil Ridge.
I still can't believe they placed a red bull.
And our 2019 Bandwagon Grand Champion of the Sound of Springtown Marching Showcase and winner of a Signature Series trumpet courtesy of the Bandwagon Music Store is the Argyle High School Band.
I knew it. I knew it.
It's in the office. We can't use it because it's not the same time we work. It's just sitting there. One person
Yeah, like first pair gets it.
first chair plays it for concert season. I'd be fine with that. I want to play that.
I'm gonna give this one a nice.
That's good. That's actually
Thank you for attending the 2019 Sound of Springtown Marching Showcase. We look forward to seeing you again next year. Best of luck as you continue to prepare for new competition.